In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade options on TradingView with Webull. By the end, you'll know how to use TradingView for your charting and send your options order through Webull for execution, all in a clean, streamlined workflow. Start by logging into TradingView. Use your browser or the app, and make sure you're signed in so you can access the trading panel and connect a broker. Being logged in also lets you save layouts and keep your settings consistent as you move between charts. Next, open the stock chart you want to trade. Use the search bar at the top, type the ticker, and load the chart. Choose the time frame that matches your plan, and if you like, add your indicators. Remember, options prices are derived from the movement of the underlying stock. So build your view here first. Clarity on trend, support, and resistance. And volatility will help you pick a strike and expiration that fit your idea. Now, click the trading panel and connect to Webull. The trading panel is usually at the bottom of the TradingView window. Find Webull in the list of supported brokers and click Connect. A secure login window will open. Sign in and authorize the connection so TradingView can communicate with your Webull account. This allows you to chart on TradingView while sending orders through Webull. Make sure your account is approved for options trading before proceeding. Open Webull's options chain from the Webull platform. The options chain is where you'll see calls and puts organized by expiration date and strike price. Confirm you're looking at the same underlying ticker you just analyzed on TradingView. Check market hours and liquidity. Thinly traded contracts can have wide bid-ask spreads, which impacts fills and costs. Select your strike price and expiration date. The expiration controls how much time value is in the contract. Shorter expirations are more sensitive to price changes but decay faster, while longer ones provide more time at a higher cost. Choose in the money, at the money, or out of the money strikes based on how aggressive you want to be and how confident you are in direction. Review implied volatility and the spread to make sure you're comfortable with potential movement and execution quality. Click Buy or Sell, or then confirm the options order in Webull. Decide whether you're purchasing a contract or selling one, keeping in mind that selling options may require higher approval levels and collateral. Set your quantity and order type, review the estimated cost or credit, and double-check the symbol, strike, and expiration. Submit the order and wait for the confirmation. Once filled, you can keep monitoring the underlying on TradingView while managing the position in Webull. Trade carefully, and always align your strategy with your risk tolerance.